My name is Alex Fornito. I'm a neuroscientist and psychologist at the Monash Institute of Cognitive and Clinical Neuroscience, and the work that we do focuses on trying to understand the brain as a complex network, how problems in brain connectivity can lead to mental illness. And when I was in high school, I remember a young person that was suffering from psychosis came and spoke to us about his experiences, and he talked to us about current thinking about what was going on in the brain, and I just found it fascinating that such a complex set of changes in the way someone experiences the world could arise from problems in the way different parts of the brain were communicating with each other. Just by chance I ended up in a project later on in my life working in schizophrenia, and I've enjoyed working in that area since. You really need to draw on a number of different disciplines, from genetics and biology through to psychology and physics, and so you're constantly learning something new, which is really rewarding. If you think of the brain as a very complicated network, it has nearly 100 billion neurons that are connected by trillions of synapses. There's a really big effort to try and map those connections, and we can do that at different levels. There are people trying to do that at the level of each and every neuron and synapse, but we can also take more of a coarse-grained approach and understand how groups of neurons connect to each other at more of a macroscopic scale. So our work is really concentrated at that level, really trying to use human brain imaging and develop brain imaging techniques to generate accurate maps, understand how those maps are organized, understand what that means for brain function, and then try and cross-validate that with results we see in other species with more direct measurement techniques. We work on a number of different areas, but perhaps the one with the biggest practical benefit would be to try to understand the brain mechanisms that underlie risk for psychosis. We have been doing a lot of work trying to focus on the brain systems that are altered in people at risk for psychosis, and we're really trying to drill down onto the neurochemical basis of those changes. So if we're able to map that system completely, it would give us clues as to how we might be able to develop new treatments. Well, it's a real honour and privilege to have our work recognised by the Academy. I've been very fortunate to work with a great team of students and postdocs and collaborators and mentors, so I'm very thankful.